We are at 1511 Balsam Mist. This property is in Silverado Ranch.
It's a great two-story home with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms with a large, spacious living room and dining room area.
This property has vaulted ceilings, a large backyard, and granite countertops. I can't wait to show you guys, so let's jump right on. We're at 1511 Balsam Mist. We are in Las Vegas. We are right close to Silverado Ranch. Great community. This property is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, so we're gonna go ahead and go right inside. This property is in Silverado Ranch, which is located by the freeway, and it has great restaurants and shopping over here as well.
Silverado Ranch is an established community here in Las Vegas, and this home has a low HOA of $18 a month.
With this property, you could do down payment assistance and utilize any of the other programs as well, right, Shelly?
That's right. Along with seller contribution, you can actually get into this home with little to zero down payment.
So let's go ahead and recap. This property has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It has 2 living rooms, and it's a great location. So if you want to know about this property or anything else, our information is right here. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.